In this video, we will be doing a deep dive on the filtering capabilities within dynamic chamber benchmarking. For this demonstration, I'll be using one of the pages within the metric comparison section of the platform. I have navigated to the Assets, Liabilities, and Reserves page of the Operations Survey. What I am currently seeing is a view of all of the data that was submitted for this fiscal year. But what I would like to do is apply filters for more targeted comparisons. On the right-hand side of the bar at the top, you'll see a little slider icon labeled Filters. When you click on the icon, the filter panel will pop up. There are several options for you to filter organizations to compare yours against. Some of these filters have checkboxes for multi-select options, and there are other filters that have numeric ranges. For this example, since my organization reported revenue of $1.1 million this year, I'm going to apply a filter to only capture organizations with revenue between $800,000 and $1.3 million. Once my filters have loaded, I can click Done. The green bar at the top tells me that my filter is applied successfully. It also tells me how many accounts are in the subset and the average responses per data point. I also want to show an example of what happens when the filters are too strict. Going back to my filter panel, I'm going to apply a few more filters to make the subset even smaller. Now at the top, I see a yellow bar that reads, "Your filter settings are not active because not enough chambers match the selection. Results are currently displayed without filter settings." This means that the filters that I applied have narrowed down the data too far. To view a filtered subset, there need to be at least 5 participating organizations captured in the data. When you get this filter error, you are simply going to be reverted to the unfiltered data in each of the metric comparisons. ACCE recommends that you use the filters judiciously, and we would say use between 1 to 3 at a time. If you get this yellow error message stating that your filters did not apply, go back into your filter panel and adjust the filters to account for more organizations that could fit in your subset. I've gone back in my filters to only account for the revenue range of $800,000 to $1.3 million. If this is a filter I want to use often, I can save it as a filter favorite. Up in the green bar, you will see the Save Filter option. Click on that and give your filter a name. Once it's named, click Save. The next time I go into the filter panel, I will see the Favorites section. Any filter favorite I have saved before will show up in this drop-down list. I can delete it if I would like, or save new ones. The filters you have set will carry through as you navigate through subsequent pages. But if you would like to clear them at any time, click the Clear Filters button next to the filter panel.